So in today's session, we are going to discuss about glide form. So yesterday we started discussing about glide form. Yesterday we started discussing about glide form. Thank you, Sumaitri. Thank you, guys. So glide form is a client-side API. Okay, glide form is a client-side API which is used to make the modifications on the form. Okay, glide form is a client-side API which is used to make modifications on the form. Okay. Well, glide form is accessed using G underscore form, guys. G underscore form. So using glide form, you can show the messages. You can show the messages. You can show the field messages. You can clear the messages. You can clear the field messages. You can make the field mandatory. You can make the field non-mandatory. You can make the field read only. You can make the field editable. You can make the field um, you can hide the field, you can show the field, you can set the value, you can get the value. Okay, you can set the value, you can get the value, and also you can clear the value. You can hide the sections, you can show the sections, you can hide the related lists, you can show the related lists. Okay, so similarly, guys, you can clear the options, you can remove the options, you can show the decorations. We'll see some more methods that are available in the glide form. We will see some more methods that are available using glide form. Okay, so I am just opening the finance case form. Right click, configure client scripts. So this is the glide form overview that we are using. The underscore form dot add information message is used to show the messages on the form. Add error message also is used to show the messages on the form, but in the red color. Okay. Show field message is used to show the field messages on the form. Okay. So hide field message is used to hide the field messages on the form. Okay. Hide all field messages is used to hide all the field messages on the form. You can use set mandatory to make the field mandatory on the form. So set mandatory, which field you want to make mandatory, that field name, u underscore color, comma 2. So you can make that field mandatory. Set read only. You can make a field read only. B underscore form dot set display is used to show or hide the field. Okay. So you can use set section display. B underscore form dot set value. Set value. You have to use field name, u underscore color, comma value. Okay. You can also use g underscore form dot get value. U underscore color. So you don't have to pass second parameter here. Only field name is fine so that it will get the value. Okay. Set value, get value. You can also use method called g underscore form dot clear value is used to clear the field value. It will actually make the field value empty. It's used to make the field value empty, guys. Okay. So g underscore form dot clear value, u underscore color. So similarly, if you want to hide a field, so if you want to hide a section, you can use set section display field name, section name, comma, true. It will actually show the section. To hide the section, you will pass it as false. Likewise, you can show or hide the sections, guys. Okay. You can show or hide the sections. So if you want to hide the related list, g underscore form dot hide related list. To hide one related list, you will use hide related list. If you want to hide all related lists, you will use hide related lists. Okay. If you want to show related lists, you can use show related list. If you want to show related lists, all related lists, you will select this one. Okay. So guys, this is actually the form. The form, this is a choice type of field. If I want to hide the choice, I want to hide this category software choice. To hide the choice, what I have to do is g underscore form dot remove option. So in which field we have to remove category field? Which choice you want to remove software? Choice value you have to pass here. So this is a choice label, right? Choice value you have to pass. So choice value is also software. So that what happens? This line will actually remove the option, guys. Do you see software option here? Hmm. So do you see software option here? Software option is removed, guys. Okay. Software option is removed. So if I want to show a new option, so if I want to show a new option using scripting, then what I will do is g underscore form dot add option. So in which field I want to add the option? Category field. When you are adding the option, you have to provide the label. So I'm just adding electronics. A choice label and choice value both. Okay. This is actually choice value. This is actually choice label. So I'm actually adding the option. I'm removing. I removed an option called software. I'm adding a new option called electronics. I'm just refreshing the form. Okay. You can see software option is removed. Electronics option is added here. So electronics option is added or not here? Hmm? So if I want to clear all the options, I will use g underscore form dot clear options. Clear options on which field I want to clear the options? Category field, right? So now you can see there is no option here. All the options are cleared. There are no options. So first option is actually removing one option. First line is actually removing one option. Second line is actually adding an option. This line is actually clearing all the options. Okay. So likewise, you can add a new choice. You can remove a choice. You can actually clear all the choices using glide form. So if I want to add a decoration particular field to this color field, before the color field, I want to add a decoration. Okay. G underscore form dot add decoration on color field, right? Want to add decoration, u underscore color. So what is the decoration? Icon star or icon user, comma message. You can see I have added a decoration here, icon user. So icon group. So where can you find this icon? Icon name. I'll tell you. There is no icon group. Icon user, icon star. You can say this is actually decoration. So likewise, you can actually add a decoration to a particular field. So where can you find that icons? So you can go to service now. You can just type. You can take this link, guys. I can just provide this link here. I'm just copying this icon number here. These all are icons. Control F, icon, IFN, user. So icon star. So icon Microsoft Teams. So go to the form and refresh this one. Let me just refresh this one. So here you are able to see Microsoft Teams icon here. You are able to see Microsoft Teams icon here. So icons you can find like this one, guys. Where are those icons? You can see. So these are the icons that you can use. Icon form and you can see here person impacted or reported. So likewise, you can add decorations, guys. Okay. So you can also remove the decoration. G underscore form dot. So remove decoration. Okay. Fine. So on which field you want to remove the decoration? Color field. U underscore color. So this line will actually remove the decoration, guys. Removing decoration also, it is asking you to provide all the inputs. So it has removed the decoration now. So this line is used to add the decoration. This line is used to remove the decoration. So if you want to highlight a particular field, g form dot flash. So I want to highlight the color field. Color, comma, color, blue color, comma, how many seconds? So I am just keeping -3. -3 means 3 seconds. I am going to refresh this one. So here this color field is getting highlighted or not? So if I give red color here, the color field will be highlighted here. The color field is actually getting highlighted here or not? So using g_form dot flash, it will actually highlight the field. Okay. So if you want to save the form using scripting, normally to save the form, you will click on save button, right? So in place of clicking on this save button, you can use g_form dot save. This save button will g_form dot line will save the form automatically. So guys, you see here, I'm filling the field values. So I'm just saving the form now. I'm just saving the form now. Once I save the form will be loaded. It will be keep on saving it. It is keep on saving it or not? Did you observe this one? It is keep on saving. Is it keep on saving or not, guys? Did you notice this one? So this is every time when you save this one, the form will be loaded. Again, it will keep on saving it. Is it keep on saving? Okay. I am going to deactivate this client script. Then it will stop saving. So using g_form dot save also, you can save the form. Okay. Using g_form dot submit, you can submit the form. So save submit difference you all know, right? Save will save the record. Save will create the record. It will actually stay on the same form. Submit will create the record. It will redirect to the previous URL. Did you know the? So you all know the difference between save and submit, right? Everyone, think you all know the difference between save and submit. So this g_form also g_form dot will submit the record. Okay. Okay. Fine. Well, guys, in the form, so whatever the text that I am entering here is showing in the black color or not? The text color is black or not? So if you see the text color is actually showing black color or not? So I want to show this text color in the red color. Okay. I want to show this text color in the red color. So then what I will do, G underscore form dot get control short description. So short description field value, right? I want to show it in the red color. Okay. Then I will take the short description field name. Dot style dot color is equal to red I am giving. The text color will be appearing from now onwards in the red color. Just to refresh this one. Now you can see whatever the text that I am entering in the short description is appearing in the red color or not. Hmm? The color appearing in the red color. Okay. So I want to change the background color of this particular background color is white, right? So the background color that you are seeing here is white. I want to show the background color as yellow. So then what I will do, G underscore form dot get control, short description field name, background color is equal to yellow. It will change the background color to yellow. You can see now you can change the background color. You are able to see the short description field background color to yellow here. Okay. So likewise, guys, if I want to hide this magnifying glass icon here, if I want to hide this magnifying glass icon, so then what I will do? So here, guys, I have to take the ID of this particular element here. ID of this particular element. So how can I take this ID of this particular element? You have to inspect the form. Right click, inspect. Just click on this one and take you to this particular magnifying glass. So the button ID is this one. The ID of the button. Okay. So here to get the IDs directly, you can use g underscore form dot get element dot tail dot display is equal to none I am keeping. None means don't show the magnifying glass. Lookup means magnifying glass. It will actually hide the magnifying glass, guys. On the color field, you don't see the magnifying glass. So let me just refresh this one. Do you see any magnifying glass here? Do you see any magnifying glass here in the color field, guys? Hmm? Everyone? Okay. So, well, here, guys, I want to remove this drop down icon, this down arrow icon. I have to inspect an element. I have to inspect an element. I have to identify this drop down arrow. Oh, where is this arrow icon? Only particular arrow we have to identify. Selected none. Okay. Mm, this arrow icon I want to remove. Class form control. This drop down icon I have to identify the ID first. Is there any drop down as such here? Mhm. So where is it? I'm unmuting you. You can just show me where exactly is that? Hello. Yeah, you can share your screen, Unai. Hmm. Let me unmute you. I have unmuted you. You can unmute yourself. Inspect the element once.
Sir, it is showing here, sir. Release compatible. I just here and right click.
Yeah.
Here, SVG now icon, SM. In this it is there, sir.
See, that comes under toggle. I don't think that comes under drop down. That's a toggle actually.
This
Toggle means you can show it upside and you can show it downside. That comes under toggle.
okay.
That doesn't comes under drop down. So whatever we are seeing is drop down.
But the DBS navigation at a drop down, no ID. This one, sir.
So let me just share my screen.
Okay.
So particularly we have to select the element. Only when we can select the element, we can hide that. So we'll dig deep into it. Unable to. See, if you are not able to find the solution, you have to go through the Google guides like this one.
Uh,
Hello.
sir, I just keep the link in the group. In the chat, I kept the link, sir. Once go through the drop down one.
We have to identify the particular element, guys. After identifying that element, we can clearly hide it using g underscore form dot get element, the element name dot style dot display is equal to none you will keep. So if you are not able to identify that element, we can't hide that. Okay. So here identifying that element is actually a challenging task, guys. Unfortunately, we are not able to figure it out. So on the form, you can make the changes using glide form like this one, guys. Okay. So you can make many changes on the form using glide form. What not? Can do everything. You guys are clear? Everyone? Hmm? So I have unmuted everyone. You can ask your questions, guys, if you have any doubts.